Hello everyone, and welcome to the How to Draw and Paint channel. Today we are going to be drawing the Easter Bunny. Make sure to pause the video if you need more time. First, we are going to draw this shape for the head. Next, let's go ahead and draw the body. Now let's draw these U shapes for the feet. Now it's time to add our ears. Don't forget the fluffy tail. Next, we can move on to the flower the bunny will be holding. Start off with a small circle and slowly add your flower petals. Take your time, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Now that the flower is finished, we can add our arms. And now we can move on to our bunny's face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes and a small upside-down curved triangle for the nose. Next, just draw a W for the mouth. Once the face is done, we can move on to adding some details. Let's start with the toes. Now we draw the same shape as the ear, but smaller for the inside. Next, let's add the stems to our flowers. We can go ahead and add another flower behind the first one. Just do the same thing as we did before. Next, let's add some leaves to our flowers. Don't forget to add small lines to the middle of our leaves. Next, we can add some eyebrows. Let's go ahead and add some smaller circles inside of the eyes for where the light will reflect. Next, we're going to add some circles for our rosy cheeks. After that, we can add all of our whiskers. Just draw 3 lines on both sides. Now we can start on all of the fine detail. Let's add all of these small lines inside of our flower petals first. Take your time, and it does not have to be perfect. Next, add some lines inside of our ears. And after that, we can move on to all of the fur on our bunny. Just draw small lines on the outside of the body, following the direction of the outline. Our bunny is almost finished. Now for the fun part, let's add some color. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing with me today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.